Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Paulina, and on my channel I will be posting lifestyle videos, cleaning videos, and DIYs. So if you're interested, please subscribe and I hope you enjoy. So today's video is all about organizing and decluttering the cabinet underneath my kitchen sink. This is where I store a lot of my cleaning supplies, and as you can see, I don't have much space. The water filter tank takes a lot of the space. The first thing I did was take everything out of the cabinet and got rid of a couple of things I didn't use anymore. Cabinet is empty, I went ahead and wiped it down with a Method all-purpose cleaner. Since half of the cabinet gets used up by the water filter tank and the water pipes, I decided to put the vases in the backs, since I hardly use them. I tried to see if any of the vases would fit inside one another to make more room, and of course that didn't work. Trying to figure out which storage organizer I'm going to use and it's going to fit well. My plan was to use these plastic bins, but then I noticed I wouldn't be able to pull it out without removing the stuff that would be on top. I even tried putting the bins side by side and I still wouldn't have enough room for the cleaners. So I finally gave up on this plastic bin and decided to use this refrigerator organizer bin that I got at the Dollar Tree. It's supposed to be used for soda cans, but this worked perfectly. In the soda can bin, I decided to store my wet sweeper cloths that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. I have a hard time throwing away anything. I always think I'm going to use them again. So I told myself if I haven't used any of these cleaners in the last 6 months to throw it away. As you can see, I was thinking twice over one of them. So here my OCD is kicking in. I noticed that one of the labels were left on, so I'm just removing it. So before I put the other storage bins in, I wanted to see if they would fit, since I store my garbage can on the other side. So on the other soda can bin, I decided to store my garbage bags and my dry sweeper cloths. I guess I just don't want to let go of this orange glow. I keep putting it back, and then finally I decided, nope, I do not need this. Throw it away, Paulina. Throw it away. So in this storage bin, I decided to store my microfiber mopping rags? Pads? I don't know. Is that what you call them? I don't know what you call them. You know what I mean. Now that all the organization is done, I am wiping down and cleaning my cabinets using the Method All-Purpose Cleaner. So this is how the cabinet looks after. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!